We human beings have a common soul. A soul that seeks justice, beauty, freedom, and dignity, all of which are beyond the bounds of time and space, race and color. This is the common ground for the solidarity of Adam's children. Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad were all the harbingers of this common nature. There's always been a pleasant pledge whispered in our ears that darkness will soon come to an end with the reappearance of the Son of Man. Today, furious and exhausted by the current situation in the world, we eagerly await His return. No matter what we call Him, He is the promised Savior for whom we have been longing from the core of our hearts. The rising sun of the West will illuminate the whole world, from east to west and from north to south. With its light, you and I will become one. So, why not embrace such a promising future? This rising sun is my Mahdi and your Jesus. The world has sunk into darkness, and we are all looking up at the sky, waiting for the sun to rise. When will the morning come? For how long will this darkness last? Why is it that my Mahdi and your Jesus will not reappear? Maybe we are the reason. Maybe the Savior is waiting for us to make a change in our lifestyles and prepare the grounds for His reappearance. It is we who must open the door to the light in order for the light to enter our homes.